Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alienware 24.5-inch 1080p 360Hz and 27-inch 1440p 280Hz monitor. So friend, Dell has launched a pair of new gaming focused display under its Alienware badging, and both are high refresh rate monitors. So friend, the 25-inch model goes under the model name AW2523HF and has a 1080p panel with a 360Hz refresh rate, and friend, it supports Freesync Premium, and it also supports VESA AdaptiveSync, and friend, it's said to have a 400 nits peak brightness, fast IPS panel that has a color gamut and that covers 99% of the sRGB spectrum, and friend, inputs consist of one DP 1.4 and two HDMI 2.0 port, as well as a USB 3.0 input or 4 USB A 3.0 output. And friend, the 27-inch model is called AW2723DF, and it supports 1440p resolution, and here we are looking at a fast nano IPS panel that has a native 240Hz refresh rate, and friend, it can be pushed up to 280Hz using an overclocking option, and friend, it supports Freesync Premium, G-Sync Compatible and AdaptiveSync. So here all your bases are covered regardless of which GPU you hook it up to, and friend, it also has an HDR600 display with a typical peak brightness of 450 cadmium per meter square, and it has a wider color gamut that supports 95% of DCI-P3 spectrum, and friend, this is still an HD display, so don't accept amazing HDR performance, and friend, connectivity is the same as the 4 AW2523HF, although it's said to support picture by picture and picture in picture, which has the 25-inch model apparently doesn't, and friend, it will be available in September, means now, and friend, the 25-inch model priced at $450 and 27-inch priced at 27-inch model priced at $650. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.